Hello champs, how are you all? I'm sure you are doing really great. So today's session is all about sound of I. Now you know that I is also a vowel. It is the third vowel of our English alphabet series. So, short I as in pin. Pin. Okay? Now we'll move forward with some other words which includes short I. Let's get started. Wig, nib, bin, zip, pin. Great! You are doing great. So now we'll move forward towards a phonic drill. Okay? So here we'll combine the vowel I with some other consonants to see how it sounds like. Okay? Here we have vowel I with consonant T. So vowel I with consonant T sounds like it. It. Now we'll talk about some words which include vowel I with consonant T. Okay? Let's begin. Bit, sit, pit, hit, knit, kit. Okay? Great. So now we'll move forward. Here we have vowel I with consonant N. So vowel I with consonant N sounds like in. In. So the words we are having for this combination are bin, tin, kin, sin, pin, win. Great. So next we have is vowel I with consonant D. Vowel I with consonant D sounds like id. Id. Now let's give us a look to the words including vowel I with consonant D. The words are kid, rid, lid, hid, bid, and mid. Great! So next we have is vowel I with consonant P. Vowel I with consonant P sounds like ip. Ip. The words are dip, zip, hip, sip, lip, and nip. Great! So next we have is vowel I with consonant G. Vowel I with consonant G sounds like ig. Ig. So the words including this pair of vowel and consonant are big, wig, dig, fig, pig, and jig. Great, you all are doing absolutely perfect. So now we'll move forward towards our next pair of vowel and consonant. The next pair is vowel I with consonant M. Vowel I with consonant M sounds like im. Im. So let's look towards the words which are including this pair of vowel and consonant. The words are dim, him, kim, rim, tim, and sim. Great! You all are absolutely great. So now we'll move forward towards our reading lessons because reading is learning. The first paragraph we are having for reading is Pam has a big kid. The kid dig a pit with a wig and a twig. It dig in the dirt. Great, you got it. Now we'll move forward towards our second paragraph. I see a fig. A fig is a fruit. This is a big fig. Have you ever had a fig? Great! So this was our second paragraph. Now we'll move forward towards our third paragraph. The little girl has a tin. The tin is big and pink. She hit the tin. Tin is on the bin. Great! You did a fantastic job. Clap for yourself and make sure that you practice it regularly at home. So we'll meet in our next session. Till then, bye-bye.